we're going to be repairing and painting a deck. Keep watching the video, we'll show you how we do this. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com, and today we're going to be repairing a deck. We're going to be washing the deck, and we're going to be painting the deck. It's going to take various days to do that. We actually have 2 decks to do. So the first step, we just have to find the boards on the deck that actually need to be replaced for the client. So right here we're going to be replacing these 3 boards. It's kind of a step up to the next level. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and start removing the screws before we start the saw cuts on the new boards. Okay, so we got our screws out. We're just going to remove the board. We're going to measure this up with the new one and cut 3 boards, and then we'll screw in our new ones. Okay, so we just finished marking our 2 boards anyway. We're going to make 2 cuts, measure up another one, and then we'll be ready to install. Okay, so the boards are out. We have the 3 boards that are new that we're going to replace. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install them. We're using 2-inch deck screws for these boards, and we're just going to go ahead and start right now. Okay, I'm just going to set them in before we screw. Okay, and you want to just space them out equally. Okay. 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 This one I'm going to push in a little, like this. Okay, so we have the boards spaced out correctly where we want them. Now we're just going to go ahead and start applying the deck screws. Okay, so the 3 boards on the step is done. So now we're going to come back another day with the pressure washer to pressure wash the decks, and then a following day after that so we can apply the paint. So we'll see you on the next day. Okay, so the deck's already been pressure washed. It's dried. We've already sanded down the deck, and now we're going to apply the paint. So what we want to do is you just want to get a little bit of paint on there and just work in between the boards. That way you're not going to leave any spots showing. Okay guys, that's it. So we just finished painting the deck. The stairs are done. The whole job's complete. So just want to thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like our video, share our video, and we'll see you next time on the next video from DoItAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys.